Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. In today's video we are going to discuss current affairs which are very important for OPSC prelim examination 2021. See friends, these are the dynamic portions. You have to keep on eye on all this dynamic portion, and if you are following our other series which is going to be very helpful for your prelim preparation. And shortly we will be providing the prelim crash course as well as mock test. You will be getting around 50 mock tests, 40 plus 10 free sets, plus we will be providing you the MCQs, how to tackle MCQs and the total strategy, the important sure shot prelim 2021. This particular thing is going to help you crack the prelims, and we have put it only in 500 rupees. We are putting that, and do look forward to this particular thing. Today we will be discussing important aspects of current affairs. So, Garima Gray shelter home facility for transgender persons has been inaugurated in which city? It is Vadodara. Vadodara is the city in which Garima Gray transgender person has been inaugurated in this particular city. Then Delhi Chalo is the name of the protest is being held by farmers. As you people know that people are protesting against the 3 farm laws which is being passed by the parliament, and farmers are camping in Shahjahanpur border, Tikri border, then Singhu border and Gazipur border of Delhi. So you have to keep an eye on this particular thing. Then Keetam Lake, which has recently been added to the Ramsar site, located in which city? It is Agra. Agra is the city in which Keetam Lake is located. Very important. They may ask you in the prelim. Keetam Lake is located in Agra. India's first sandalwood museum is located in which city? It is Mysuru. Mysuru is the city in which Sandalwood museum is located. India's first e-resource center and virtual court of Nyaya Kaushal has been in which city? It is Nagpur. Nagpur is the city in which e-Kaushal or Nyaya Kaushal. Nyaya Kaushal is the thing e-resource center. It's a e-resource center. It is there in Nagpur. It is recently being inaugurated by Chief Justice of India, Sarad Arvind Bobde. Then India's first dedicated freight services to Leh has been launched by which particular company? It is SpiceJet. SpiceJet is the company which has launched the first freight corridor to Leh. New name of the Ministry of Shipping. The new name of Ministry of Shipping is Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. The new name of Ministry of Shipping is Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Then Kapila campaign is being implemented by which ministry? It is Education Ministry. And I hope you remember that Ministry of Human Resources Development has been renamed as Ministry of Education. So do remember that it is Ministry of Education. It is no more the Ministry of Human Resources Development. Kapila scheme. Kapila is what? Kalam property, intellectual property. Kalam. This is a Kapila scheme. Is a Kapila campaign for intellectual property and awareness. Means literacy and awareness. Intellectual. Then Meri Saheli initiative started by which organization? It is Indian Railways. Indian Railways has started Meri Saheli, Southeastern Railway. Precisely it is Southeastern Railway. Do remember it, Meri Saheli by Southeastern. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has partnered with which food tech company to take street vendor online. Very important. For OPSC civil service, they may ask you this Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. If you will be posted in the urban areas, the municipal corporation areas, so do remember this. It is very important. Swiggy is the company which is being partnered with Ministry of Housing and Urban Development to take street vendors online. If some important street vendor who is selling, his Swiggy will take and deliver it to his or her customers. So, which ministry launched Disc Force Challenge for the startups, innovators and MSMEs? Ministry of Defence. Ministry of Defence has started Disc Force initiative for challenges, various challenge for the startups and innovators and Ministry of Defence. Then Ganga Avalokan is a museum based on river Ganga, is in which city? Very important, it is Haridwar. Haridwar is the city in which Ganga Avalokan is generally Ganga Avalokan is there. So let's have a quick recap. Garima Greh is Vadodara, then Delhi Chalo is by farmers, then Khitam Lake is by Agra, and India's first sandalwood museum Mysuru, then E-Resource Center or Nyay Kaushal is in Nagpur, then India's first dedicated freight corridor to Leh is by SpiceJet, then the name of Ministry of Shipping is Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, then Kapila campaign is by Ministry of Education, it is Kalam Intellectual Property and Literacy Awareness Campaign. It's a very important, you have to keep an eye on this. It is on education. Meri Saheli by Southeastern Railways, Indian Railway precise. Ministry of Housing and Urban Development, which food tech company, it is Swiggy. Then which ministry launched Disc Force campaign? It is by Ministry of Defence. Then Ganga Avalokan is in Haridwar. So I hope the current affair, we will be providing you current affair at regular intervals, and if you are following this particular videos, you can easily crack Odisha Civil Service Prelim 2021 very easily, because we will be providing you all the current affairs. And if you will take our prelim crash course, the mock test series, then you will definitely click the prelim examination. Do share with your friends, tell them to subscribe. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel. We will be providing OPSC related videos in this particular channel, which will empower you to crack OPSC exam very easily. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.